My people, e don set o. It's truly over. It's over. Omo, Regina Daniels na come even dey beg Paned Nwoko. Regina Daniels is begging Paned Nwoko because with the way they say things dey go on for Paned mansion, with the way Regina Daniels matter spoil, with the way her matter seke, her matter potopoto for Paned Nwoko house, na beg na Regina Daniels come dey. My people, Laila Charani, this woman, this Moroccan woman, she did not come to play o. Laila Charani, they say e show Paned evidence. Laila Charani tell Paned how Regina Daniels dey bring men to the house. Like sometimes she go say na the same movie industry they dey. Sometimes she go say na mama brother. Sometimes she go say na family friends because dem know say she no dey understand Igbo. So dem go come dey speak Igbo for where she dey. E say the thing don dey happen before she come recently dey record Regina Daniels and her male friends that she bring over to Paned Nwoko house. Even if at all say Regina Daniels sef wan even dey do anything, you think say she go bring man lover to Paned Nwoko house? Laila Charani. My people, matter don spoil finish o. It's truly over for Paned Nwoko and our Nollywood actress Regina Daniels. I'm not sure say hope dey for settlement o, because the way Paned Nwoko dey talk about Regina Daniels, her lifestyle lately, how he cautioned her to be very, very careful. How Regina Daniels even tried to bring down his reputation as a senator. Regina Daniels knows say she dey hold rank for Senators' Wives Association. Regina Daniels come begin dey do anyhow. With the evidence and talk, people dey talk here and there when they talk about Regina Daniels. Why he no go believe? Where Laila Charani come still testify against Regina Daniels. They say Laila Charani, if you remember, this thing first happen some years ago when Paned and Laila Charani first get issue when she can't go back to her country, her hometown, her country home, Morocco. When she can't come back, Regina and her mother, Rita Daniels, they can't do pepper them. They can't mock Laila Charani with Igbo, with her normal language when they speak. Laila go dey one place. They'll come they gossip Laila Charani for her front with Igbo language. Say she not the shame. She come back, blah, blah, blah. Now she won't come, they said from that time, now Laila friends and family when she be Morocco can say all these people now you they talk about now that thing give Laila wisdom to the record Regina Daniels and her mom. They say Laila Charani even gets audio recording of Regina Daniels and her mother Rita Daniels when they discuss. Even when Rita Daniels they advise Regina Daniels to take it easy. She know that she's young. It can't be like say Regina Daniels now won't come the show to the world say they force her into this marriage. It can't be like say Regina Daniels really won't come out from the marriage by all means. With the way she can't they do, they be say her mama talk to Ramo. They say Laila Charani get all the audios and even how Regina Daniels they bring Nollywood actors may come Paned Nwoko house. When she go ask Regina Daniels say who be this person, Regina Daniels go say na family members, na relative, na relation, na cousin, na this, na that. They say Laila get a lot when he tell Paned Nwoko about Regina Daniels. Guys, forget those one when they say Paned Nwoko be one go sleep with Regina Daniels' younger sister. I don't know how true it is, but I believe say Paned Nwoko self don't make up in mind. Paned don't made up in mind. He don't cross mind say he no dey accept Regina Daniels, and I don't even know why Regina dey beg. This is what she's been looking for. This is what she ever wanted, to leave Paned Nwoko and live her baby girl lifestyle. But it be like say how the matter take go now, e no go favor Regina Daniels because you know why? Many rituals dey for her to perform. Many things dey for her to be free from Paned Nwoko. If not, my people, Regina Daniels go just be like walking corpse. Sorry to say. First of all, she no go even fit meet any man. She can be playing around o, going to club, smoking, but say make she come have intimacy with man, make dem come make love, make dem come do any kukurere, nothing like that go fit happen o. Say Panel Nwoko sef don even go do more, like e don even go swear more on any woman wey im marry, wey go cheat on her, wey go flirt on im head, wey go meet another man without his consent, or rather without say dem never separate. Say dat woman na kpai na be the consequence. Dem say na wetin Panel Nwoko even use all im wives take do behind closed door. Those one we no even hear am o. Forget the one wey Regina Daniels do when Panel newly marry her 5 years ago. Another one wey dem say e happen recently, because the way wey Panel Nwoko wives, as in e come dey suspect im wives, e no come dey convenient with the way they are doing. Laila and Regina Daniels, they are always fighting, always doing. It come be like say they wan even kill him, make dem carry properties. They were now after their own selfish interest. Na dem say Panel go use all of them again, from the first wife to the sixth wife, take go pass another rituals wey dem go do. And now Regina Daniels don know say the thing e don over am. Na Regina Daniels and her mama and her family, na dem come dey even dey beg Nnedu Nwoko. She has been begging to return back home. She has been begging Panel Nwoko for forgiveness. Panel say no problem, I go accept you, but you have to swear an oath that you did not do anything outside my marriage. Regina Daniels say e no go fit do am. So meaning e be like say Regina Daniels sef no trust herself. My people, Regina Daniels no trust herself o. She no wan do anything like that. Na be the thing wey dey prolong this apology wey Regina Daniels dey tender to Panel Nwoko. And with the way Laila Charani take dey talk, the way the evidence she gave Panel Nwoko, everything she said about Regina Daniels, they are all true. They are all true, because Panel no dey always dey around. Panel is always traveling. As a senator, is always around, not at home. They say Laila Charani just dey make record of how Regina Daniels dey live her life lately. Una see, polygamy, e no good. I dey talk am, nothing sweet about polygamy. Laila and Charani and Regina Daniels, I no know wetin their two see. Those fake laugh when they dey laugh that time, e no reach their mind o. That's why they unfollow theirself. They don't know say they don't be friends again. Laila celebrate birthday that day, Regina not celebrate her. Regina celebrate birthday, Laila not celebrate her. They don't even dey follow theirself for social media. I don't know wetin they drag. They know say their husband na polygamist, a proud one at that. They come begin dey want dey fight theirself. So now it come make too much hatred wey make Laila Charani get the mind to record Regina Daniels. Regina know say she no go fit do this thing to the very end. She start am. They say wetin you no go fit finish, not start am for life. You begin parade yourself as wetin I no know for social media. People come dey say na you even make the best choice when you take accept Panel Nwoko as your husband, because Nigerians are suffering. The economy is not smiling on anyone. But they never knew what you go through. They don't know wetin you dey pass through for house. We no know wetin come enter Regina Daniels head of recent, wey come be say outside come just dey her eyes. I be think say she don eat belleful for Nnedu Nwoko house o. I no come know wetin enter her head. E come be like say she dey regret, come be like say omo na bondage na she dey. She come just free once. See Regina Daniels in club, smoking, drinking, always clubbing. She go TikTok, go dey do live, go dey talk about having 20 boyfriends. I come dey say, this girl not the husband house again. My people, wonders shall never end o. Laila Charani, Panel Nwoko fifth Moroccan wife, don expose Regina Daniels, how she always bring men to the house. How she and her mother have been discussing about Nnedu Nwoko, what they've been saying about Nnedu Nwoko against him. They are not for him, they are against him. How they are here in his life to reap what, as in they won't collect the man, everything. How Mama Regina Daniels, they advise Regina Daniels how to always ask for money. Tell your husband, may he buy you this. Tell your husband, may he buy you that. Laila Charani record everything from A to Z. Submit am, give Panel Nwoko. Omo, panel don even dey do shakara o. 68 years old man don even dey do shakara for 23 years old girl say e no dey marry again. Wahala no be like wetin again. God, it is well. Anyway, guys, make una drop una comment. How una dey see dis whole matter, dis whole polygamy wahala between Panel Nwaoko, Regina Daniels and Laila Charani. No wonder Laila took over. She dey happy. She dey happy say Regina Daniels is out of the way. She's out of the picture. She don take over Panel like say tomorrow no dey. Even while Panel even came out few days ago say make bloggers come get a shop abi na visible office for Nigeria. Laila reposted it o. Na she come just dey do Regina Daniels duty. Na she come dey support Panel Nwaoko for social media because Regina no dey do am again. Dat one dey find how she go take settle the differences between her and her husband, how she go take come back to house. Her head don full. Regina Daniels' head don full. Laila Charani don take over because according to her, Regina Daniels wanted to come and take over from her. Regina Daniels come be like say she no come know anything. Come be like say na she, na Panel even first marry before her, Laila. Like Regina Daniels did too much. She crossed boundaries. All those things vex Laila Charani. That's why she can do anything to take Regina Daniels out of the way. Well, this one no be say she won't take her out of the way. She just won't do her job as a wife to her husband so that make her husband know the kind of woman wey he marry. That's why Laila got to record Regina Daniels, her lifestyle lately, how she come dey live, dey bring different people, how she dey gossip Panel Nwaoko with her mother Regina Daniels, how they be planning against Azine. Omo, they say the recording long, no be small. E don really over o. Water don pass garri. Regina Daniels is in hot seat. She no know wetin she wan do again. Dis na Bazi News. Hit on the follow button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and remember to put up the post notification bell.